Yo guys, what's up? And today we are going to be unboxing a TP-Link power line. Just blink at me. Still recording. This is a power line starter kit, extender, reliable wire connection to every room, plug and play, compact design, made by TP-Link. Specs: it's a power line starter kit. Works with routers, home plugs, adapters, and extenders. Connects more devices by adding more adapters or connection to an access point or a switch. Offers encryption, 300 meters or 100 feet over the existing electrical wiring. So this may or may not work in my house depending on how my circuit is. Power line, Ethernet, dimensions. It's a compact design. You get 2 of the adapters, 2 Ethernet cables, a quick installation guideline. This just kind of shows how it goes. No need for drilling, just wiring and Ethernet. So that's pretty much how it looks like it works. Plugs into your router and then your wiring, and then it just runs up and over. That's what it looks like. Just some stuff that kind of explains to you how the system works. Anyways, let's get started by unboxing it. Oh, there we go. Oh, and it says it has a 2-year warranty. So we get 1 wiring for 1 brick, and then the other, as well as the 2 Ethernet cables, decent size. Get the tray, and then there should be, yep, and there's a guide. So this is actually more of a picture-based guide. You plug one in. And then the other electrical circuit gets plugged down here. And you can add additional ones. Doesn't take power strips. Only takes wall outlets. So, anyways, let's get going. So, we're gonna take this out. Has a nice compact design, which is nice. And we'll also take this one out. And then these are just regular Ethernet adapters. And another Ethernet adapter. So, put these in here. And let's get started with the setup piece. So first thing we are going to want to do is we are going to want to plug in our device into a regular wall outlet. It cannot be into any type of special fancy
extension cord or multi-outlet. It's just into your regular wall-embedded household outlet. Then the next step is you're going to want to plug your Ethernet cable into the actual thing itself. Then you'll plug the other end of your cable into the actual modem that you're running your Wi-Fi off of. Um, then you're going to want to go to where you're going to have your computer, plug that into a regular wall outlet. Then you're going to want to plug the Ethernet cable um, from the actual second device into the computer or PC that you are going to be using. Then the next step will be to go back down to your primary or the first one that you set up. Press the buttons or press the main button that you'll see. It's like a little square. Push it um, until you see the blinking lights. You should be able just to press it once. Um, then you're going to want to go up within 2 minutes onto the second that you plugged in and press that, and you should see a bunch of lights blinking. Then the third step is going to be just to wait a minute or a few minutes, and you should see all solid green or all solid yellow lights on the router, and that means you're good to go.